guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take a picture with the brand new selfie mode in Heartopia. So I'm just going to take a picture like here, maybe. So press this button, the camera button, and then select this. And then you're just going to press it again to enable the selfie camera. Here you can select from a bunch of selfie emotes. We have default, joy, sad, angry, embarrassed, timid, surprised, and exhausted. We also have some selfie actions. We have the open hands, cover face, look here, show off, and like. I think I'm going to do the open hands for this. And then I'm just going to take a picture. And this is what your selfie should look like. Super cute. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.